emotional swings. Parang nagbibendo po. Yes, March 28th, guys, we're graduating at approximately 4 p.m. And, sabi ko nga, nung nagtutoga fitting ako, nagtataka sila, bakit ka may toga fitting? That is because I wanted my toga to be body fit. At, ang tela ng toga ko, lycra. Stretch. Yung pang bathing suit. Pero toga yun, ha? At saka yung cap ko, putas dito sa gitna. Para, very fashionista na din. Anyway, sorry kung madaming tanong. Fan na fan lang po talaga. It's okay, Jen. You know, life is so full of questions. Sometimes we get the answers, sometimes we don't. Yes, nalim. Anyway, thanks, Jen, for texting it. Next, Jessamy. Sabi ni Jessamy, Ate Nikki, thanks to you. Why? Your personality inspires me a lot. You're a talented, pretty, intelligent, adorable, happy person. Yes, I am a happy person. I like to hop. Bobo talaga today. You provide the positive energy in me. Whoa! Ano ba yung tinatawag dun sa ano na yun? Ano yun? Tip of my tongue. Sabi lang ni BJ Luis eh. Ano yun? Yung pag, ginagamot mo yung isang tao na alis mo yung bad energy. Ginagamot mo yung tao through energy. Pranic healing! Ay, sinabi ko tantric healing. Pranic healing. Yung bang kausapin mo yung tao. Bad. Sorry. Anyway. So yeah, thank you very much for texting in, and I think we have batch 2 later on, if I'm not mistaken. In the meantime, we have the cat.